In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove text from an image in Canva. We'll walk through two simple methods so you can pick the one that fits your image. One is best when the text is baked into the picture, and the other is ideal when Canva can recognize and separate the text for you. Start by opening your design in Canva so you can see the image you want to work on. If the text looks like part of the photo itself, maybe it's printed on a sign or embedded into a background. The Magic Eraser tool is your best choice. Click on your image to select it. Then in the top toolbar, choose Edit Photo. In the panel that opens, go to the Magic Studio tab and select Magic Eraser. You'll see a brush size slider. Set it so the brush is just a bit larger than the text you want to remove. This helps you cover the text cleanly without touching nearby details you want to keep. Now, paint over the unwanted text. Take your time and use short, controlled strokes, especially around edges or textures. When you release the mouse, Canva's AI will process the removal. Give it a moment. If a small remnant remains, simply brush over that area again for a cleaner result. If you accidentally remove something you wanted to keep, step back and refine your brush path, then let the tool process once more. If the text appears as something Canva can separate like clear, well, defined lettering that isn't too blended into the background, try the Grab Text option. With the image selected, click Edit Photo again, and in the Magic Studio tools choose Grab Text. Canva will scan the image and identify the text it finds. When it highlights what it detects, click Grab. This turns the detected text into an editable element right on your canvas. From here, you can select that text and move it to a new position if you are redesigning the layout. Or simply delete it to remove it from the design. This method is great when you want control over the text itself rather than the pixels behind it. Use Magic Eraser for truly embedded text and Grab Text for cases where Canva can isolate the lettering. With both options, preview your changes to make sure everything looks natural before you continue designing. That's all you need to cleanly remove text from an image in Canva. Thanks for watching.